Dajjal. The first of the major signs of the Day of Judgment is the emergence of Dajjal, also known as false Messiah. He is described as a great deceiver who will have many followers. Jews and women will be the most of his followers, but he will also have Christian, Muslim, and atheist followers. His appearance has been described so Muslim could detect him. He will be blind in his right eye. Catherine will be written on his forehead, and he will have curly hair. He will claim to be a god, and will perform miracles, and will travel the whole world except Mecca and Medina. During his time, Muslims will have their faith tested, as Dajjal will be great manipulator and will deceive Muslims with weak faith. Dajjal will trick the world until Isa alayhi salam descends. Isa alayhi salam. Following the appearance of Dajjal, Isa will descend from the heavens. He will descend near a white minaret in Damascus, close to Fajr time, and will pray behind Imam Mahdi. Then Isa alayhi salam will defeat Dajjal and his army. After defeating Dajjal and his army, Isa alayhi salam will break the cross and kill the swine, signifying the unification of all people under the true monotheistic faith of Islam. Later on, he will get married and have children. Yajuj and Majuj. After the death of Dajjal, another significant event will occur: the emergence of Yajuj and Majuj. That day, they will be able to break a barrier between two mountains and will swarm the whole earth. Muslims with Isa alayhi salam will hide in a mountain. It will be harder and harder to survive for Muslims, so Isa alayhi salam will make a dua to Allah, ask him to destroy Yajuj and Majuj. Allah will send insects that will kill all Yajuj and Majuj momentarily. Landslides. There will be 3 landslides, one in the west, one in the east, and one in the Arabian Peninsula. These landslides will not be just small, normal landslides. The severity and magnitude will be much greater and will affect the whole world. The smoke. The smoke will cover the whole earth for 40 days. It will affect both Muslims and disbelievers, but the effects will be different. For Muslims, it will be like a cold, but disbelievers will suffer harder. The beast of the earth. Dabdat al-Ard, also known as the beast of the earth. There is not that much known about him, other than that he will speak to humans and will label Muslims and disbelievers, meaning that he will tell who is Muslim and who is not. Sun rising from the west. These last signs will be at the very end of the times. When the sun rises from the west, everyone will believe, but it will be too late. The fire. The fire is the last major sign. The fire will drive all the remaining humans on earth into one place. There they will be resurrected to the day of judgment, and that's when the day of judgment begins.